the brilliant benefit of getting to work for a nonprofit like the Y is that I am completely empowered to make a difference in people's lives directly. I lived in Washington, D.C. and was a Y member there for years and loved it, and didn't really have a full appreciation of what the Y meant as a member. I just knew it was convenient and I liked the people. It was a warm, friendly place to be. And then when we got transferred out to Washington State, they were building this brand new YMCA in Gig Harbor, and I thought, maybe I could little something, transition into the community, and I became a 12-week coach. And in that capacity, I never done anything teaching a class. I like a step junkie as a youth, but never actually got in front and taught a fitness class. And then worked into the community side. I have a real passion for helping people with lifestyle change. I soon became a Listen First workshop facilitator. I started training different classes, YUSA classes, started bringing the Healthy Lifestyles program into the YMCA. I started a coalition for diabetes prevention and have started that program for our association, and I'm working with YUSA to bring that onto the national level. The Bremerton branch is a very small branch, and we have just under 5,000 members, so we're almost feels like a specialty service opportunity to really get in relationship with people. So I am currently in my position overseeing our health and well-being department, as well as our membership department, and then all of our full-time staff. So delivering on the budget pieces of that, the staff development pieces of that, and making sure that we're reaching into our community as part of my work to support our executive director and making sure that she's freed up and has the time to be out and building collaboration to help our Y grow. Helping other people recognize their cause, their passion, what they get up for every morning. If you're hitting the snooze alarm 7 times, what's the disconnect, right? What's between you and a 10 and your experience at work? Helping people be in the right place, in the right position, and coming in as a fresh set of eyes into this particular branch, I think has been really useful for discussion to help develop staff and help them recognize what their value is, what their passion is, and how to marry those two things together. Helping people recognize that they don't need something outside of themselves to be successful, that everything they need, they already have. It's our work to help shine the light on that truth. One of my favorite stories is I have a lady who came into one of our Silver Sneakers classes. Her name is Ruth, and she showed up with 2 canes, amazing back pain, and not a lot of independence. And through community of that exercise group and her cohort, of peers, and she reported 6 months ago that 17 years earlier in her life, when her husband was dying, she'd have to get him up off his deathbed to drag the firewood in the house because she wasn't strong enough to do it. And at the time of the story, at 92 years old, she's stronger than she was then, and happier and more independent, and feels like she can do anything. And I mean, you don't get that in a private industry, right? I mean, that's worth everything.